Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionStrader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, basically what I wanted to tell you is that whenever crude made high after 2020, that means if you look at the chart from 2020, what we have seen that whenever it made a high, if you look at this particular zone, it made a high and then from there we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, this is the first time we have seen this. Second time again when this particular have moved upside, made a high, and then from there again we have seen a downfall. Third time again the same situation arise, made a downfall. Even after that particular stop, and then we have seen again a fourth time. Okay, and this is the particular fifth time we are seeing this particular same trend. Okay, and if this particular trend sustain, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so what before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. See, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, currently trading around 110.92. okay, so if probability is high, it can touch a level of 111.53. suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 112.51, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 115.45, and this particular level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards more upside, and then can touch a level of 117. Then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 129.15. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see that it can move further down, and next support we can see coming at around, if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come and touch a level of 110.38, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down to a level of 109.71, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 109.16. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 107.78, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 105.58. okay, and from there if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 105.30, and if that level also didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 104.48. okay, now something you have to understand, that market is uncertain. We will have to understand something, that if the price, if you are in profit, suppose if you are getting $1 or something, whatever your quantity is, so keep on trailing your SL if you are trading, because you have to understand something, there is a psychology thing. okay, once you are in profit, always try to be in profit, don't be in the loss, and always proper have your stop loss. okay, so and it should be in a certain level, so that you should not be mentally unrelaxed if that hit. okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 104.20, and from there we can see it can come down to a level 100.35. suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 98.43, and this level is already being tested here that means this support is already a weakened support, so probability will be high, we can see a level of 95. okay, and this 95 if didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down to a level of 92.93, and from there we can see it can move to a level of 89.07 also. And once if it goes below that level, then we can see a 85 is a strong support, or we can see a bounce back from this level, or if this level breaks downside, we can see a level of 77. okay, now suppose, and you have to understand something, and if you are investing or trading, you have to be very careful. I have asked your financial advisor before you invest or trade. Now something I teach in my workshop, that means if you are trading, if you are trading with $10,000, suppose, so 10 to 15% of capital per trade you should be using per trade. okay, that means 1000 to 1500. okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. okay, so suppose if you take 5 trades, all trades are wrong, then your maximum risk will be $500. and suppose if that so next day what you can do, you can be more relaxed, because your loss is not that big, and because you have predefined loss. okay, so then you can focus more on profit rather than recovering the loss. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, you can let me know, we can work out on the timing, and then we can trade accordingly.